Hello, I'm Nikki once again, and like in part one, I said that there will be a part two for the custom vending machine. So this here is going to be part two. So if you missed part one, go back, take a look at it, because the part one is going to be very important to show you how we've gotten this far. So before I put my hinges on, I'm going to go ahead and align it to the top. I'm going to take my double-sided adhesive hinges. I'm going to remove that red tape that's there. All right, so being that you want your door to swing outwards, okay, you want to make sure that, let's see if I can turn this around so you can be able to see. I'm going to put the part down first for the actual door. I'm going to take another one for the center and stick that on as well in the center. And try not to touch the stickiness on the double-sided tape, because you don't want it to lose its stickiness. Make sure you're on there straight. And do that bottom one the same way. All right, y'all, so before you press that tape on there good, before you do that, make sure that you have your hinges where you want them, because once you get that hinge down and you try to move it, you're going to peel up your whole image on the top of the paper, on the top of the vending machine. So that whole image is going to remove if you try to, at this point, lift that up. So be very careful. Try to put it down right the first time. All right, so here it is. It's on there. And then when you open the door, I guess it'll be okay with the feet on. You know what? I was afraid that once you open the door, because it may lean, but it's fine. All right, so at this point, I am not going to cut the legs off, but you can do it without the legs. All right. I'm going to leave that there. Now you see I have like a diamond right here. What I am going to do is add me a diamond there. Let me better plug this hot glue back in. This is going to be the actual knob. you would have to open and close the door with. All right, y'all. That's it. It is all to it. That's my knob. I'm trying to see. Open the door. Add the treats as you see fit. All right. Once again, I'm Nikki. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Until the next one.